Hello traders, the title of the video is how to use two distinctive stochastic patterns like New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollars. Let's get started, alright? This is a distinctive stochastic pattern. Okay, stochastic was overbought. Then display a low followed by a lower low that is in oversold zone. Alright? The opposite of this bullish stochastic pattern is this one here. Stochastic was oversold, then display a higher low followed by a higher low that is in the overbought zone. Those are two distinctive stochastic patterns. Now, anytime we are talking about pattern, we are talking about location. And when we are using, all right, this is a very important point I'm making to stochastic pattern traders, the 24SP trading material traders, and also the TSTWSYS008 traders, the stochastic patterns are based on a market principle. I repeat, the stochastic patterns are based on market principles. Now, this specific stochastic pattern is based on the market principle that states that the minimum price move is free. So you may say to me, George, I already know all this, all right? Why do I need a stochastic? Now, so let me explain myself very simply. So, the minimum price move is free, which means price is going down. For instance, you go down 1, okay, 2, and then 3. Now you reach a key level. So we draw a line there. We say priority bullish signal above and priority bearish signal below. If you fail to go below that key level, if you fail to find a resistance below that key level, the price has a high chance to go up. All right. Sometimes the price will exhibit the 3 move, which means you go down 1, 2, 3, and you will see clearly because you understand the principle, and then you will try to take advantage of it using a different time frame trading method or a top-down trading method. But there are times when the price may not exhibit, all right, those 3 segments. 1, 2, 3. It may not sometimes. The price may go down in a straight down, all right? So it may go down, for instance, like this, down, all right? But the advantage of using the stochastic pattern, especially this one, all right, in this case, is that sometimes if the price may go down like this, may go down in a straight line like this, without exhibiting 1, 2, 3, but the stochastic may exhibit 1, 2, 3. So though on the chart, the price did not reveal to you those distinctive segments 1, 2, 3, the stochastic sometimes can help by revealing those 1, 2, 3. Remember, the stochastic pattern allows traders to find high probability trading setup. It's not a magic one, it's just helping us to find a good trading setup to give us a good reason why we should attempt to buy or sell. Now, by using different time frame trading method, we are waiting for a signal. So, the setup or the stochastic pattern is saying to me, hey, this may be a good trade. This may be a bullish trade setup. This may be a bearish trading opportunity. Now that we are using a different time frame trading method, we are waiting for a signal. Never buy or sell without a signal. And then when the signal is fired, we time the trade using, going to the entry time frame. For traders that are very new to the topic of top-down trading method, just YouTube search the phrase Mastering Top-Down Trading Method by 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel. Digi24 Stock Trader YouTube channel. Don't watch it anywhere else. You'll see 5 videos, a playlist of 5 videos, and watch them all in your own time. Pay attention carefully to my beautiful accent, or this will make you laugh a bit, and understand everything. That's all. Okay, let's get started. So now we are looking at the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. I want this video to be very, very short. All right. Okay. And you can see at this point in time, all right, here it is. So I'm going to place a vertical line there. The reason why I'm speaking slowly like this, all right, is because I want even new traders, all right, to understand what I'm talking about, all right. Or if you are new to my beautiful accent, you may understand also what I'm trying to communicate here, all right. Okay, bear with me, please. So between those two vertical lines, we see that the stochastic exhibit that pattern is a bearish stochastic pattern here, okay, which is the opposite of this bullish one here, okay. So now you can see that between those two vertical lines, all right, the price also was confirming the stochastic. So price went up, yes or no, and then pulled back, okay. That's 2, and then 3. We have 3 segments. So we'll draw a line at a 9573. We say prior to bullish signal above and prior to bearish signal below. You can see that after that vertical line here, the price went down only 1 month. But after that, it went horizontal before coming down. This is, you see, even this one went up a bit more. So sometimes traders are using a stochastic pattern. If they are not using the top-down trading method, if they do not master the top-down trading method, they can be taken out of the trade. And they may say, oh, George, that's a useless stochastic pattern. But what has happened here, the price went down and then started going up and down. You see, it formed a triangle in this session before it came down. But the stochastic pattern are giving us a warning and say, this may be a very good bearish trading setup. Handle it with care. It's a fragile. There is always a risk. You see how it was here? But finally, it went down. Okay. Now, pay attention to this one here. So stochastic went 1, 2, see, down, 3, move down, all right. It's a distinctive stochastic pattern. What the price did, the price went down, but instead of going up in one line like this, it consolidates. So this can be tricky for some people. Say the price did not exhibit 1, 2, 3. So they may say, oh, it just went down. You see, this is what I'm talking about. But the stochastic is showing us, okay, that, okay, this may be a good bullish trading setup. If you want to sell, where do you sell? You sell at a resistance level. So when you see the stochastic pattern, is it a bearish one? Yes. Is it at a resistance level? All right. Next question. Did people sell there before? Yes. They sell it there before. They sell it here before. They sell it again there. So there is a high chance that they may sell again. If the price breaks above that level and find a support, don't sell it. Even the stochastic give you a bearish warning. All right. Even here it is. Even if the price, okay, if the price break below this key level, see where we are here. If the price break below that key level there at that point in time, don't fight it. How do you avoid fighting the price? You use a different time frame trading method. So because you know what is likely to take place, if it's taking place, you take advantage of it. But if the price is printing something out, just flow with it. What usually takes place that when one is applying a top-down trading method, sometimes you may enter a trade, you say, don't apply a top-down trading method as you have said, but look, it's not working. Sometimes when you go to the signal time frame, you may see that the signal fail. Sometimes it just be that it can be just that you do not, we need a bit of luck, you know, a bit of chance when we are trading, always chance involved. Sometimes they may take you out and you may wonder, what have I done? All right. It happened. They take you out. They say, why they take me out? All right. And sometimes you may have to enter the trade 2 or 3 times, but don't enter the trade more than 3 times. That's my own view. That's my own view. All right. Sometimes they may take you out, and then you wait again, and then there is another signal, and then you enter and you get paid, all right, or you recoup your loss, your first loss. All right. You see now. So this one was happening here. This was a good trade, and this one was also a good trade, using 2 distinctive stochastic patterns. But one can know, I can reveal to you, there are 13 specific stochastic patterns. If you are interested, go to www.stochastic-market.com and purchase the 2,4-SP trading material. All right. Traders that are using TSTWS 008, All right. The 24SP30 material, all right, is already part of the package. They don't have to buy it separately. All right, you see here? So all you need to do, work on your ability to master the top-down 3D method and then learn to understand the stochastic pattern. But you are not trading a stochastic pattern, you are trading the price. So, like here, okay, simple thing that we do, you see here, come here, you say, oh, bearish. That common central line here must be broken. Very, very important before you will implement a top-down 3D method. Now, again, you want to make sure it's at the resistance level. That those are kind of investigation. So it was here, you see it's a bullish pattern, it's a support. Did people buy there before? Yes. You see, they bought it here before, and they bought it here before. So we want to buy at the support level. So you do all those verifications. If you do not like it, you can just stay away from it. You may see a stochastic pattern, but if you investigate, as I'm investigating it now, you don't like it, you just say, I don't like this one, I will not trade it. The choice is yours. So here again, the common central line to be broken. And again, before you can get paid, you will implement a top-down 3D method. If you are swing trading, you must manage the trade. We talk about how to manage swing trading. There is a playlist at the 24 Stock Trader YouTube channel, managing swing trading. There's a playlist about it. Look for it. How to manage swing trade by a 24 Stock Trader. So I have a playlist for that also, so you can learn about how to manage your swing trade or your trade in general. Okay. So he went up yesterday. So two distinctive stochastic patterns. Those who understanding will take advantage of the monthly chart. So after all this, maybe they take you out 2 or 3 times, and finally you may get paid. All right. All right. Here again, you see, it went up straight away, which is good. All right. So where are we now? So you may say, Joe, you are talking about New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, but what's in need for me today? Now, you see, the price is doing something here. You see, going up 1, 2, 3, down, and then it went up. You see here, 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. And then again, 1, 2, 3. Minimum price will 3, yes or no? So the price consolidating. Here we know again it's a 1 triangle, which is 2, 3. All right. Okay. So it stopped here. This is a bit tricky one. Look what's happening here. Some trader may say, so we may also argue again, if you see a bigger picture, may say it went down from here. It went down all the way here. Yes or no? Good. Then it went up again, which is 2. Now it is here now, 3. You see? So from here, all the way down here, that's again 1, 2, 3. So you may see a mini 1, 2, 3, and then within a bigger 1, 2, 3. All right, here it is. Here you can see that it, well, at this point here, the stochastic did not form that bullish pattern, but the price, this is what I'm saying to you, when we are building a trading system or a trading strategy or trading method, it must be based on a market principle. Though the stochastic is just oversold here, the price did exhibit 1, 2, 3. This is again an invitation to look for an opportunity to buy, implementing a top-down method. Look at this long candlestick bar. So it's a consolidation taking place here. So because of what we have seen, the price in 1, 2, 3, where we are today, you may say to me, what are you telling me now? I'll tell you this, my friend. Priority to bullish signal above. Okay, color please. Color it now into pink. Above the level of 089485. That's what I'll tell you. Why? Because you see, he went up, he pulled back to retest that peak line, and he found in a support. Break a bow, retest. It's another principle of the market. Now, it's turning around the common setup. That, remember, if you are using a monthly chart, this setup is not yet ready. Why is not yet ready? Because if you are using a monthly chart, that monthly candlestick bar is not yet closed. It must close. Because I'm on a monthly chart, and I'm recording this video today on the 7th of March 2019, and the time in London is 12 minutes past 2 p.m. But if you want to participate in this trade before that candlestick bar is closed, what you need to do, you need to go to another lower time frame, which is the weekly chart. You will use the weekly chart instead of the monthly chart because the monthly candlestick bar is not closed. So today, all I will say to you, priority to bullish signal above 0.89485 and prior to bearish signal below it. So when we come to the weekly chart, if I draw another trend line like this, I pay attention to that thick blue line. The price, you see, it breaks above that thick blue line, retest it, and it's going back above the moving of the 200. That's where we are. That's a priority to bullish signal above. If you don't want to use the pink line at this junction on the weekly chart, pay attention to the moving at 200. But I don't use the weekly chart very much unless I'm combining it with the quarterly chart. So that's all I will say to you at this junction. If we push it down, going to the daily chart, all right, you may see clearly. So when you change time frame, what do? You draw a line. There is a consolidation here, you see. You see, that's why we change time frame. So on the weekly chart, we see that kind of triangle. On the daily chart, the price is oscillating, okay, between a level of 0.90965, note it down, 0.90965, and the level of 0.89485 between the pink line and the orange. So there's a consolidation going on there. And because you are my friend, I'm talking to you more than I was expecting. I'm going over my time now. Okay, you see, this was happened. So we can just measure, okay, the width of that, okay, consolidation and project it up on the daily chart. And there is, okay, a target level for the daily chart right there. So what was happening, if you were here before, like I said to you, you are using weekly chart, you will be buying on the edge of the lower part here. You see, it's a consolidation play. The market pattern will determine the appropriate strategy that we will deploy. So will you find a support above the blue line? We will see, all right? If you zoom into it more, all right, on the hourly time frame, you see we talk about that consolidation on the daily chart. You see, it formed a double bottom. This is a nice setup here. You see, nice setup on the pink line. It's called a price consolidation. Okay, and people are buying near the pink line. Here it is a form a bullish chart pattern. As soon as this common settlement is broken, see on the hourly time frame, you see it run fast. All right, that's what you want to look for. So right now we can draw another trend line like this. You see this trend line, okay, this trend line on the hourly time frame. All right, so those are the things that you need to do step by step. And this is how we use a different time frame trading method to zoom into it so we may know when to enter the trade carefully. All in all, there's a consolidation play, all right, either in a triangle on the weekly chart and also on the daily chart in the horizontal channel. You are looking for trading setup and then you implement a different time frame trading method. So this will conclude our discussion today about how to use two distinctive stochastic patterns like a pro, New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. All right. If you have any question or suggestion, please put it in the comment section. And in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. If this video has been useful to you, please give us a thumbs up. If you dislike it, be sure to mark it down. If you think it's an essential tutorial that can help other traders out there, feel free to share with your friend on the social media. Okay. Sometime I'm posting video first on Facebook, and all my Forex video will be posted first on Facebook. All right, my Facebook page is Stochastic-MACD. Follow us also on Facebook. Subscribe to our YouTube channel because our YouTube channel is a new channel. It's growing very slowly. All right, and that's why I'm posting first on Facebook. So subscribe to our YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel is 24 digit 4 stock trader. 24 Forex trader, not stock trader. 24 digit 4 Forex trader. This is for Forex trading. All right, and be sure to click on the notification bell so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. If you want to learn more about stochastic trading or technical trading, go to www.stochastic-MACD. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about how to use two distinctive stochastic patterns like a pro, New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you soon. Thank you for watching.